Hello guys again, and welcome back to my channel, The English 1001 on YouTube. Today's a required video has been chosen by one of the YouTubers and followers too at the same time. They told me, can you give us some pronunciation for the beginners in the English course for beginners, the series you're doing. So can you give us some synopsis, some examples, some rules about pronunciation, mistakes of pronunciation for beginners, not just in details or in depth, and this video for that. What I'm gonna talk is how to pronounce some short forms. So short forms pronunciation correctly to help you in speaking skills, not just in writing. Again and again, don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. We need your help as you need my help, so it just like give and take. So now I'm gonna show you some rules for short forms, and in words, then in a sentence, how to pronounce fast, quick pronunciation, and correct at the same time. Let's see that. Coming to see with me now. Here, I'm gonna show you some short forms. Okay, short forms. How can you say this? You know, this is a short form for I am. But it's not good to say I am. But it is what? It's So I am should be said So how can you say that? Don't say I am or I am. That's wrong. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. Not I am or I am. That's wrong. This is not correct pronunciation because am is a weak form. So no stressed, unstressed. So you have to say I'm a teacher. That's good. So what about that one? So this one is he is. So is it correct to say he is? He is. That's wrong. His. So what is this one now? What can I say here? He is a doctor. No, he's a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. His. His. Okay, that's great. What about this one? What can I say for it? And you have to know this is a short form for they are. Is it they are? No. There. But not they are. That's wrong. Not they are. That's wrong. How can you say this one now? The readers. Not they. That's wrong. And Americans sometimes saying the re. So the readers. They're readers, but not they are readers. So again, his, okay, Let's go to second part. That's great. And second part is about what? Is about a sentence. How could you pronounce a complete sentence? For example, I gave her a box. I gave her a box of chocolate for her birthday. Let's see that. I gave her. Look at this one. Her. This is a weak form. All the objective pronouns are weak forms. What does it mean, weak form? Look at me. Form means not stressed, not important in the sentence to be clear for the speaker and listeners. So you say her. I give her. I give her. I give her means I give her, but don't say I gave her. Because the problem is about her. You have to say I give her. I gave her. I gave her. Good. Let's see the rest. I gave her. Her is a weak form. So you say I give her. I give her. One word. I give her. I give him means I gave him. I give him. I give her. Good. A box. A box of. Which one? Of. Yes. Of is a weak form. That's correct. So also of. What can you say about of? You say a box of. A box of. So one word. A box of. A box of. A box of. A box of. Let's see. A box, not of. No. A box of. A box of. A box of. I give her. I give her. A box of. A box of. Not a box of. That's wrong. I give her. A box of. Good. Chocolate. Chocolate. And for. For, as I told you, is a weak form. For, a weak form. For her. So I have here two weak forms. So for her. For her. So what can I say? Two words in one. Look at me here. Fa her. For her. For her. For her. For her. Chocolate for her. For her birthday. For her birthday. I give her a box of chocolate. For her. For her. For her. For her. For her birthday. I give her box of chocolate. For her birthday. I give her box of chocolate for her. For her. Not for her. Weak forms. For her. For her. For her. For her birthday. For her birthday. I think that's good today for you. It's just a beginning, a start, just to know the difference between a weak form, unstressed weak forms, words, syllables, and a long form or a stressed form. Next time, as you know, these videos, set of videos, will be just directed for beginners. So this English course for beginners, and this is lesson 9. I hope you got the benefits of today. Thank you for today's lesson. See you in lesson 10.